allow me fixing everything, and because there is always something to fix, I want to show you how to fix that crack in your freezer drawer, but you need to know that it's not gonna be beautiful. But because it sits all the time inside the freezer and you only see it when you're opening, I think we can survive that. I didn't want to look for a new one, they're significantly expensive. And I just wanted to fix it so it's not moving every time, otherwise it's just bad. When I bought the fridge, I forgot to clean the fridge, got a freezer, forgot to clean it, and I already cracked it in the 2 years ago, and I fixed it in exactly the same way you can see here. And for 2 years I have used it. I didn't know if it's going to survive, but it definitely survived. This is my most used drawer, so it's okay, because I'm using regular hot glue. Here I used a little bit harder type of hot glue, but I don't have any of it. So now I'll try with the softer one. Now we need to make sure that the surface here is completely dry and clean and it's not cold. Okay, you need to get it out of the freezer, clean it up, wash it up, dry it out, and get it on room temperature. What we're gonna do now, I'm right-handed, so I'll keep the thingy with my right arm, this one. And here is good if you have a little drill bit to drill it out to get rid of any stress in the end point. I don't have a drill bit, so I just need to do it as it is. And the point is, get the glue as hot as possible, yeah, because on hot as possible got the most the best adhesion with the plastic on the bottom, almost like boiling it needs to be, and it will drop down. Okay, it will drop down. Just a second. Give it a second. And we need to get it on both sides of the plastic. Okay, very important as well. Good, all over the place. Let's continue now. It can get hotter. Unfortunately, my lighter is not good enough. No, it ran out of power. That's not good at all. I just grabbed another one. Let's give it a try. And also something that we need to know, if you overdo it, the heat, it will actually melt the plastic. That's also not good. Maybe I remember just now that if you go too hot, you actually melt the plastic, which is not good. Okay, no problem. So you can get the idea, I think. My father, a long time ago, I remember, he tried to repair not a transparent one, but a plastic door, like a white plastic that were in the old ones. And he used aluminium with little screws. And that didn't work because the screws were a weak point for cracks. And the whole thing just went apart around the screws. So it's good to know that it needs to be a flexible joint. Whatever you do, it needs to be flexible. And this one is also quick, which I think is a good thing. And it's cheap as well. Okay, it takes a little bit of time, so I will stop the video and I'll show you the end result. Just in a second, because I can't let the silicone right now. And I'll turn the extractor in the kitchen, because this is definitely producing quite a lot of fumes, which is not very nice. Let's have a look. This is it, nice and strong. I'll tell you, that's not going anywhere. My lighter got a little bit more soot, so it got a little bit black, but it sits inside. So anyway, I hope this video has been helpful to you, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.